Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to clear oil light or maintenance light on 2015 Lexus RX350. Okay, let's get started guys. Okay, you see the screen here displayed. You go to menu, you're gonna see the screen, then you go to setup and you go to vehicle and you go to see the maintenance, just click on maintenance. And you see the oil filter, just click on oil filter and you go to reset. Okay, and click on yes. Just wait a little bit and go back to the oil filter. Okay, let's go to oil filter and go to reset and click on yes. Just wait a little bit. Okay, just click OK and it's all set to go guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.